Hello everyone, back with me again, Leroy Black. Today we're going to do unboxing video. Well, it's not really unboxing since I already take out this part of the package. Anyway, today unboxing is going to be Tauerville Incense Flash. A big shout out to a friend of mine, Roland. He hooked me up with this deal to get this incense flash. So I believe incense flash is a niche market. Niche perfume. Hold on. There you go. Incense flash, eau de perfume, 30 ml, Tauerville, and the barcode and so on. So what I'm gonna do is take this part of the package. There you go. Tauerville Incense Flash, 30 ml. The box looks really simple. It is sticker with this part is embossed and this part is sticker as well. The box is really simple. There you go. The perfume incense flash. Made in. Hold on, let me see. Gonna focus. Made in USA. Tauerville.com. It's a very, how to say it. It looks very generic, but simple. Nothing much. It's plastic cap. Hold on. The sprayer, it's a bit lousy though. It's a bit tough. Let me tell you guys about the scent. It is incense, and what I can get is woody. Yeah, mostly it's incense and wood. A little bit like musky, but it leans toward woody more. And I can pick up a little bit of leather notes there. Yeah, that's pretty much about it, I think. It's not really a complex scent or anything. It's very, I won't say standard, but it does smells good. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I think for the price, 30 ml, and it's a eau de perfume, I think it's worth it. But make sure you guys like incense. If you guys don't like incense, I don't think you will like this perfume though. But if you like incense, I think you need to have this. It's not a complex one, but it does smells good. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.